Hey y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl. So today I figured we'd do a quick and easy tutorial. We're going to go over how to place a monogram on the straw hat. I'm sorry I didn't get any videos up last week between working on the new store and Cameron ending up catching the flu. It was crazy. He was running 102 fever. We had to bring him to the emergency room and to the doctor, and he's finally feeling better, but it's just been a week. So I figured today we'd do like a quick and easy tutorial because I had a lot of people asked once I did my Dollar Tree and Target haul for me to do the monogram on this. So what I'm doing is I've taken and preheated my Cricut Easy Press. Let me turn it so that way you can see it. It is set on 330 degrees for 15 seconds. So what we need to do is we're gonna place this on my head. And I've already cut and weeded the design. This is just the Caesar glitter in black. And we're gonna kind of place it off to the side. So what I'm doing now is I'm laying this out straight, and I will adjust the camera angle so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. So it's just laid out on that. I have my Steady Betty underneath, which is available at steadybetty.com. The size of mine is 15 by 24 inch. This is just my Teflon sheet. You can purchase it on our website, but you don't have to purchase from us if you don't want to. So what I'm going to do now is just place my Easy Press onto the hat. As you know, I have the heat press set for 15 seconds at 330 degrees. This is just a quick and easy, I mean, it doesn't get much easier than this. And this tutorial, the design of the monogram, is available for Cricut and for Silhouette on my, there's a Silhouette playlist and a Cricut playlist that shows you how to design for both. So there we go. Now I'm gonna pull this up slowly, and part of the reason why I use glitter on this is because this is such a textured surface. Now that I have the plastic pulled back, I'm gonna take and cover it again, and I'm gonna place the heat press back onto the design, and we're gonna heat it for another 15 seconds. And you can use your home iron with this, you can use your heat press, but you wanna make sure you have good and even pressure. And you want to make sure that it adheres properly because this is a very, very textured surface. But now, as you can see, it's not going anywhere. And for something like this, let me adjust the camera so you can see me. Okay. There we go. Okay. So for something like this, see if I can angle the hat so you can see. Doesn't that look adorable? I love this hat. And it was like $3 at Target. So, I mean, you could use a scrap piece of vinyl, and this just looks absolutely so cute. And you can wear it to the beach, to the amusement parks, all that fun kind of stuff. And that monogram's not going anywhere. But this is just a different method and something else to show you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I try to answer as many as I can. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you hit the little bell notification icon next to it, it will notify you when I post new videos, which we post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And right now our schedule's a little off, but I'm trying to get it back on track. I wanted to make sure to say thank you. We hit 40,000 subscribers, and that is absolutely amazing. I cannot thank y'all enough. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and I will leave a link in the description box down below on the video you need to comment on to enter into the scrap box drawing. Other than that, thanks, and y'all have a great day.